Generally, a sewage pumping station wet well is equipped with a pair of submersible pumps, which are operated on a various pump routine, but in this case on an alternating basis. Sewage water inlet is from the left, and 3 water outlets, including 1 open overflow pipe, are located on the top to the right. Water level in the wet well is continuously monitored by an EcoMax ultrasonic level transducer for normal operation, and an additional point-tech capacity level switch for emergency flood indication. Both sensors are connected to a Hydroranger 200 level controller, as shown at the left. The Hydroranger display shows the totalizer with the integrated amount of pumped water, the actual water level in percent, 5 relay status indicators for activation of Pump 1, Pump 2, Totalizer, High Alarm, and High Alarm, and a level bar graph with directional arrow. Normal dry weather conditions exist. Water level is at 20%. Relay status indicators are all off, indicating no pump is running and no alarm is on. A moderate water flow enters the wet well, and water level rises. As it approaches the high level at 80%, Relay 1 is activated by the Hydroranger and starts Pump 1 working. Water is pumped out through outlet pipe 1 to the treatment plant. Relay status indicator 1 is on. Level starts dropping as indicated on the display with the arrow pointing down. At the low level of 20%, Pump 1 is stopped. Level starts to rise again, and the arrow at the bar graph points upwards. As level approaches 80% again, now Pump 2 is activated to pump water out through outlet pipe 2 to the treatment plant. Relay indicator 2 is on. Level drops down, this time below the low level to 15% to allow cleaning the bottom of the wet well and to avoid agglomeration of solid at the walls. Weather changes from sunny to heavy rainfall, causing an increased water flow. Water rises fast to and over the 80% level. Both pumps are activated, but cannot master the incoming water flow. Water level continues to rise and reaches the overflow pipe and the high level at 100%, where the CLS 200 comes in by sending an external alarm signal. This signal indicates an uncontrolled operating status with sewage water leaving the wet well through the overflow pipe to a retention basin or the next river. Relay indicators 1, 2 for the pumps, and 4 and 5 for the alarms are on. With decreasing rainfall, the wet well operation is back to normal conditions.